to my YouTube channel, The Beauties on Earth. You can see the Khandagiri Udayagiri old Jainism monuments in Odisha state in the country India. You see the caves, Jaina caves. You can see here the Jaina monument in Odisha, the eastern state Odisha in the country of India. You see the caves. You see many tourist parties are here. The old stone. You see
चला निकलते